Come wander with us in the forest and see what kind of magic we may stumble upon. These bands of colors kept catching my eye. Ah yes, Trameteus versicolor literally means many colors. No matter the color, they will always look like a turkey tail. If you are just beginning your foraging journey, turkey tail is a wonderful first friend. You can find turkey tails growing almost anywhere there is fallen hardwood. Once you spot one cluster, you'll start seeing them everywhere. As we continued along the trail, we came across a log completely covered in turkey tails.
What you got here, love?
Turkey tails.
Absolutely covered. A full ripple of colors stretching across the whole trunk. It was incredible to see.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Feel that. Oh man, I'm spending my whole day here, right in the sanctuary of the turkey tails.
The easiest way to confirm if it's a real turkey tail is to check the underside. This is where you will see tiny pores. The back side should be smooth, even, and pale. That is one of the simplest ways to tell if you have the right mushroom. Turkey tail has been studied more than any other fungus. Turkey tail is known to support immunity. It has also been used as a medicine to aid in healing cancer. One fun fact is that you can actually chew it right on the trail. Mushroom gum. Would you try it? Let me know in the comments below. In the next video, I'm going to be making a simple turkey tail tincture using what I've gathered today. If you want to learn more about wildcrafting with me, wander into the next video. Make sure to subscribe, follow along for the next journey.